So, hello, hello. How are you doing? Hope you are doing good and welcome to my second ever stream. It's the second. L. Uh, Let me just check something. I recently toyed around with the sound and I need to see if stream sound is okay. Cool. Okay. Also, welcome back to my second episode of the OS development series. Which we started 2 days ago. Let me just open all my shit because I have done exactly 0 preparations again. So. Okay, we had a make file and we had a boot. I remember. Where did we left off? Yes, we went into 32-bit mode. I can remember this. We went into 32-bit mode, yes. Let's just boot it again to see if anything magically breaks. Nah, our T is still there where it needs to be. Okay. So. Theoretically, the next step would be to go into 64-bit mode, but we have to do a few things before. First of all, I detected bugs. In this few bytes we write, I already had some bugs. First of all, here I forgot the GS register. And oops. No. And you have to go. And the SI. So let's test it again. Okay, I forgot. And we also obviously need to create a BIOS print function. Yes. And also let me do this. Still works. Cool. Okay. Today is not a very long stream, but fuck it. I don't think we can go into 64-bit mode today, but we can do some preparations. You know what? Let's also do. This is something I wanted to do last stream. We proved that our data and our code segments work. So let's just create them here as, let's just don't make them as magic numbers, and give them their own is this right? Did I call it code? Without an underscore. Cool. I can stick to a single convention. So let me just... I don't have a build script. Let me just look something. Is this right? This should be. Yeah. Who cares? First of all, it's the code. This is the code and this is the data. So. Code segment and so. Make it and put it. Shit. And put it. Okay. You know what? We can actually, you know what, for fun, let's just look at the debugger. Because why not? We add a break. How does debugging word break? At target remote demo system. Dot. Hello. I think it doesn't have autocompletion here. Cool. We get our debugger first try. Cool, here we do this, la la la. Here we load the GDT, doesn't matter. Boring, 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 boring. And let's just look at 0x8, cool. Look at the register. 0x10. Cool. That means that I'm not stupid. It works. Yeah, okay. I mean, that's something. So let's just quit. GDB. Okay. That means I take you and I'm going to put you up there as a comment, please. And again there. Cool. And now I don't need you. So does anything else needs clean up or is this now cool? I write second for, I misspelled second. Okay. Looking good. So, what do we have to do today? I want to create a print function for the bias, also in real mode. Then we need to check if, or is it called? Okay, wait, let's look it up. Let's go on the best source for BIOS functions. It's Ralph Brown's interrupt list. Such a, but the website looks like from 1900 something, but it's actually a great website because it has all the BIOS functions and what they do. 13 was disk operations, I hope. Because we want to use in 1342 to load our second loader, to load our stage 2 and to load the kernel. But this function is not always supported on all BIOSes. So there's this function which checks if this function is supported. This is what we need to check. Okay. Cool. And we want to create a print. So what was print? I think hex 10 was the with right character. This I think was printing. I hope. Okay. Let's just try it, okay? Let's just try it. For this, we create a function. Oops. We print. This is an actual function, so we return from it. Character to display. Path off. Look at this, we print function. AL. We use the AL register to write the AL. We can already put it in AL. Stupid. So we move into AH9. I guess this stays 0. I forgot what the page number is. I forgot it. We don't want an attribute actually. Is this the right function? Ay. Nah, we want this. Teletype output. Yes. This is what we want. We want E. Not 9. Fuck 9. We don't have graphic mode only. So let's call it. Let's test it. Let's just test it off. We move into... We move E. And then we call print. So let's just pray. I don't have a build script. Oh, wait. We also need to hold here. Oops. But it didn't crash at least. I guess that's something. E. Out there. Ah, okay. Let's just... I want to test something. What if... Holy. If I call it multiple times, it increments itself, right? So I don't have... Yes, E. Okay, good. Out of this, we can build a function which prints us a sentence. Isn't that great? This is really great. For this we need... I forgot. I forgot. We basically... Firstly, we need a sentence. This would be great. Let's just go with a fucking boring hello world. Because why not? Then we put the... Let's just use the SI register for this. How did I call it? Didn't even give it a name. Let's just call it message. Okay. Let's just use the SI register for it. Oops. And let's also specify it expects pointer to string in SI register. So there is a assembly function to load something from the SI into AL register. I just don't remember it. Instruction, not function. Oh God. I need to find this. Load from SI and AL. There is a function, I know it. Load.siu function I need. Loads by that address into AL. Oh. Yes, this is what I wanted. Watch. So we load S. Are you also incrementing it? Nah, right? Aha. It increments it. It increments it. Cool. That means that we do this. Watch it. Then we do our loop. Then we check AL register. Hey. We should. I forgot basic assembly instructions. This is not looking good. Flag. I need help. Aha. Thank you. Uh, I think this should work. Please. I dearly hope. Lot S not defined. What's ja, lot S B for byte. Hey, it worked. Okay. You know what? We also say modifies x, and it also modifies the si. Okay. Now we can print in 16-bit mode. Isn't that awesome? So, step 1 is done, printing. Step 2. We want to see this here. We want to check if the extended read works. Should also be easy. First of all, check extended read. We check for this. Oh, guys, we need to save the drive ID. I totally did not do this. I think the drive ID was in the L, right? Yes, I think so. And now we can check the extended read. To see if we support the extended read, and if we don't, then we nuke this shit. Because if you have fucking BIOS that don't support extended read, fucking BIOS needs older than me probably, then you are not allowed to boot this OS there. Period, yeah. Good. 5 AA 41, cool. Oh, we move. I already forgot it. 41. And we I just realized something. We can set the ESP directly. I'm stupid. Oh, right, we can. Yes, I think so. Okay. And then we move into something. Was it BH? 55AA? What was it? BX? Makes sense. And we move into DL, the drive ID. And then we call it. In 13. So. And the carry flag is set on error. Cool. That means the carry flag is set on. That means if the carry flag is not set, we jump to next. Next. I think I already have next up there somewhere, right? Yes, we don't call it next, we call it... What do we call it? Read loader. Because this is what we are going to do here. So, but if we didn't jump, then we stop here. And we print a pretty cool error message that tells the user it can go fuck itself. Extended read error message. That read is not so important. So, booting stopped. This is what we are going to say. Extended read error message. Okay, let's test it. It built it, cool. Let's just boot it. We didn't get an error. That means it should be supported. Let's just do this to see if our error message works. External is not supported. Booting stopped. Cool. Cool. We have a print function. The next step is to do load second stage. Okay. How much byte do we have left? I don't need you anymore. How much bytes do we have left? I have a few. I have roughly around this because we need some bytes. We need exactly 64 bytes for a partition table. What is 64 in hex? 40. U40. 28. 43. So. We have this amount of bytes left in our bootloader. Okay. Yeah, we totally need a second stage. I mean, we need to prepare for long mode. We need to set up paging, set up another GDT, jump to long mode, and then jump to our C kernel. We are not going to be able to do this all in 512 bytes. I mean, maybe you could do it, but you would have you need to left out some checks, because I just remember we also need to turn on a 20 line. Off, on, off, one of both. We need to do something with that shit. We need to turn it on. Let's just, you know what, we can delete this to do. What we put on another to do. Check and turn on a 20 line. This is a problem for future me. Don't care right now. We're also going to remove you. Nice and clean, you know what? I mean, it's maybe not important, but I like to do this so that I can be sure that everything is how it should be. Cool. We still have our T bias. We could actually, just for fun, make this another color. So just that it's obvious. I don't know what we... Is this even a valid color? I don't know. It's blue. And you know what? Just do it like this. Why the fuck do I need to... Does this work? No. This is okay. Fuck it, let's keep it like this. It's just for us, so we anyways don't keep this. So just keep it like this. Okay, I need Ralph Brown's interrupt list back, please. Because we want to look at the extended read function. Let's also read tail, read error. Let's also create a read error message. There was an error reading from disk. So, how many bytes do we have left? We maybe have to shorten our... maybe have to shorten our... What did we say? Around this was 40? 38? We have this amount of bytes left. A9, what is A9? 169 bytes left. It's actually not that many. Maybe we actually have to put our jump to 32-bit protected mode also in the next file, in the second stage loader, because this loader can be as big as we want. Well, let's just try it if we manage to fit this all in one byte, in the 512 byte limit. Maybe I have to shorten these messages a little bit. you know. And if I remove this, we also get some bytes back. There's room for improvement. So, nah, it's like shit. Oops. There is a lot of room for improvement. But we don't have pressure. We can just put it in the second stage bootloader if we really wanted to. Do we have anything in it? No. So, I forgot what I wanted to do, to be honest. Check and turn on a 20 line. No, I don't care right now. Load second stage. To load a second stage, we actually need to have a second stage firstly. So let's just fix this. You know what? We put it there. Fuck it. Never do this if your program needs to be aligned to a 4 kilobyte page, because I actually once had this problem that I accidentally put my on another project put my kernel there for some reason, and then I had extremely ugly alignment errors, and alignment errors are fucking worst shit, man. So just to check something. My math is mathin'. That's cool. Let's just write this E big because I write the C. You know what? Let's just fill this with let's just fill this. I mean, why not? Then we need to put it in our make file. Let's just put it as boot stage 2. How do we put it? Yeah, it's technically it's part of the bootloader, so let's just do it like this. What do I call it? Stage 2.asm. Boot and stage 2.asm minus o minus o bin stage 2.bin. So does this work? Symbol ff not defined. Oh, oops. It's a 0x. Firstly, and secondly, we are going to put this into our clean. It's 1 kilobyte. Cool. Okay. Now we actually need to put these two files into a single file so that we can load it. How does DD work? You know what? Let me just look really quick into my bootloader test. into the make file because there I fucking do it with cat. Okay. No, I don't like you. Man, DD. Oh, if, if is read from file, and I think OF was just output, right? And DD grab off. Write to a file. Genau. So you know what? In all, let's just make let's just touch. I call it os.bin. Bin. And let's just dd if into I think this is how this works. I think so. Hey, look at this. Bin. Wait. This is not correct. This is not okay. You have eaten my bytes there. Why would you do something? We need to append it probably. There is 100% F argument for appending. PD we grab append this 100%. Yeah, okay. There is 100% append flag. Not rank. That's what I want. Aha. Look at this. Let's also remove the there. Oh, I write stage wrong. Oh no. Please make clean, thank you. What? Okay, make, let's just look into it. Uh-huh. This looks right. Yes, we got our 512 bytes there. And then we got our other shit. Okay. And now we actually can load the stage and test it. Yes. Empty again. Why is it always empty? Okay. Uh, yes. This is something, yeah. So wait, what did we do? Let me just try something. You're still booting, right? Yes, you are still booting. Okay, but I guess I don't have much time, sadly, today. So I basically just wanted to do these few things. And yeah, on the next stream, we actually stream longer. Also on the next OS dev stream, I think we can actually then go into 64-bit mode. You know, we need to set up for long mode, we need to set up a GDT for long mode. And we also need to enable paging and have some valid page tables. But we just do a 1 GB one-to-one mapping in assembly because we are going to do it right as soon. But we are going to do it right as soon as we. Why is here such a line down there if I go into full screen? Shit is annoying. Anyway, where was I? Genau, we need to set, we just dirty map 1 GB paging one-to-one, and then we set up a real paging when we are in C, actual C code. Cool. Okay. Yes. I guess that's it. We could actually do like the loading stuff because this should be pretty fast. We need a data package. I remember this. Wait, let's just define a data package. Let's see if I can get it out of my head right. Send it, read stage 2 data. This is way too long. Extended read stage 2 package. Wait, pass off. Watch this. I can get it right. It was the address? No, it wasn't the address. Ah, it was the length. I get it right, pass off. It was, firstly, it was the length. We have 10. Then it was a reserved byte. Yeah, this is as far as I can get. Let's get the documentation for the data package. Where are you? Am I right here? Yes. Size of package. We have 10H. Number of blocks to transfer. Yes, yes, I remember this because our loader is too. Our loader currently Do I have something? I'm still in boot ups. Because our loader currently is 1 kilobyte, we have 2 sections. Because one section is 512 byte and our loader is 2. So, then we have and Dan. Pass auf, DB 0 and I think 0. Is this correct? 10 is 16, right? So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shit, I get got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. You know what? Let me just double check. Let me just double check. Yes, this is correct. Oh. I don't like the ER. Ext. Wait. I'm not having it with names today, holy shit. Because ER sounds like error. You know what? We should document it. So if I come back to it, I know what I did here. This is the package size. This is reserved, so don't care. This is the LBA to load. This is the destination. This is also the destination, but this is, how is it called in professional terms? Yeah, it's this, you know what, I show a segment. Then I know. At least we know what we mean by this. I think this is fucking more LBA storage, I think, and I don't know what this is. Don't know. I don't need it. Yes. No. Oh, what was it? Yeah, it's unimportant shit. We don't need this. Period. You know what? Let's just circle this in. I'm not going to know what I did here. No, this is. I think you can see what I mean by this, right? This is like this here. You know what? Okay. No, it's clear what I did here, yeah? So this is this part, and this is the second part that gets shifted, so we have more, can reach 20 bits of storage at 16-bit mode. Yeah. We can actually put these two theoretically in one, but it's important that we don't go over 1 byte here in... What the fuck am I don't even like... Of course we can do it like this, huh? Nobody cares. I don't. UX10 or UX16? No. I think it was UX10 or UX16. Hey! You guys wanna hear something funny? You know what I just remembered? It's completely off topic. But I can concentrate right now anyway. So yesterday I went to a doctor and I asked for vaccines. You say it like this? Holy shit. My English is too bad for this. Vaccine. I asked for a vaccine and something else. And then I went there to the doctor's office and I sat there for only 5 minutes. And he told me literally 10 times, okay, you have 2 vaccines. You get 1 today. He told me this 1 today. I give you I give you a zettel, yeah? You go with this to the reception and say you get 1 vaccine today. He told me this 10 times. I say, yeah, okay, 1 vaccine today. Today, here, I stay in this office and get 1 vaccine. Okay. Then we literally talked for 2 minutes about something else. And I forgot it. So then he told me, okay, bye. I said, okay, bye. Then I went to the reception, asked for something different, and just left. I just left. And I totally forgot that I need to stay to get my vaccine. And I just left. And, and then I had to go there to the next day to say sorry and said, oh, I forgot to take my vaccine. I just went away. I just fucking disappeared. Even though he told me 10 times and he just looked disappointed. I don't know why this came to my head right now, because it was yesterday. Anyway, I had a lot of fun today, yeah. We actually did some work, which is cool. I don't test the extended read package right now. We are going to do this the next time, because I need to be somewhere pretty soon. So this is a short ending. See you.